To make money trading crypto, or any market for that matter, you will need statistics to improve your trading performance. When it comes to improving your trading performance, 9 times out of 10, data should be prioritized over opinions. In today's video, I will share 4 trading statistics that every beginner trader and all traders should be aware of. So, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. FXCM conducted an intriguing study in which they compared traders with negative risk-reward ratios to traders with a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or higher. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the risk-reward ratio, it essentially compares the amount of money at risk in your trade to the potential reward. To give you a few examples, consider the following. If you risk $1,000 on your next trade and set your take profit at $1,000, you have a risk-reward ratio of 1:1. If you risk $1,000 on your next trade and your take profit is less than $1,000, you have a negative risk-to-reward ratio, which means you're risking more than your potential reward. In contrast, if you risk $1,000 and your take profit is $2,000, you have a positive risk-reward ratio of 1:2. Returning to the FXCM study, they discovered that trading strategies with a negative risk-reward ratio had only a 17% chance of making money trading. Meanwhile, if a trading strategy had a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or higher, it had a 53% chance of making money, as seen on the image on your screen. To put it another way, if a trading strategy has a negative risk-to-reward ratio, you have a 300% greater chance of losing money than a trader who uses an even or positive risk-reward ratio. When it comes to setting profit targets and developing a trading strategy, you should now be aware of 2 critical points. Aim for a risk-to-reward ratio of at least 1:1 on every trade. Do not sacrifice your risk-reward ratio and take it down in order to increase your win percentage accuracy. Originally designed for casino games, the risk of ruin is one of the most important trading statistics you need to know. To put it simply, the risk of ruin will mathematically tell you in one statistic whether you are going to make money or blow up your account. The risk of ruin statistic analyzes your overall payoff ratio, percentage accuracy, and percentage risk per trade. Over a sufficient number of trades, 100 or more, you can calculate your risk of ruin and predict whether you will make money or blow up your trading account based on your current trading strategy. Here's a table that shows the risk of ruin statistics using a 1% risk per trade and measuring various payout ratios and accuracy percentages. If the box is red, you have a 100% chance of blowing up your account. If the box is green, you will profit from trading. The percentage chance of blowing up your account is indicated by the number inside the boxes. What you want to see in your risk of ruin is 0, which means you have a 0% chance of blowing up your account. As a result, if you want to make money trading, you must understand your risk of ruin. The long-term viability of a trading strategy is crucial. This is due to the fact that markets are always in flux, which means your accuracy percentage and thus your performance will also be in flux. The majority of profitable trading strategies work within a range. So, if your trading strategy is 60% accurate on average, your trading strategy is likely to fluctuate in terms of accuracy between 50 and 70% due to winning and losing streaks. As a result, it's critical to have a strategy that can underperform while still having a large enough margin of error to make money trading. Using the ROI table again, do you see any patterns in terms of profitability? As you increase your payoff ratio on the top horizontal axis, you will notice that the number of ways to blow up your account decreases while the number of ways to make money trading increases. Another way of stating this is, you have more ways to lose money at lower payoff ratios and significantly less ways to make money trading. The obvious correlation to this is, the greater your payoff ratio, the more ways you can make money trading and thus have a similar window to lose money. In short, trying to build a trading strategy with a payoff ratio greater than 1:1, you will have a much easier time handling drawdowns and recover faster when you get back on track. And that equals more durability. Risk management is the ability to limit your losses so that you do not lose your entire investment. It's a technique that can be applied to anything involving probabilities, including poker, jackpot, horse betting, sport betting, and trading. Here's the deal with risk management. Would you risk $5,000 on each trade if you had a $10,000 trading account? I would love to know your answer in the comments section. But my guess here is obviously not, because it only takes 2 consecutive losses to lose everything. Even a profitable trading strategy won't help you. So a common practice I always use is to backtest the percentage accuracy and risk-reward ratio of my trading system, and then use the risk of ruin table to determine the best risk percentage over a number of trades. Let me explain further. Assume I have a $5,000 trading account with the mindset that 90% of traders lose money. I simply ask myself how many trades I would want to make to hypothetically blow up the account if all trades turned out to be losing trades. With that in mind, I would like to have a sample size of 100 trades before blowing up the account. So I divide the 5,000 by the number of trades to determine the dollar amount I should risk per trade. If you want to make money trading, you would need to understand your stats and what the data is telling you about your trading performance. There are numerous methods of gathering sufficient data and statistics about your trading performance. My FX Book and FX Blue are 2 free services you can use. I would recommend connecting your account to one of those services and reviewing your data to see where you stand. This will provide you with a rough outline of how to become a profitable trader. As always, if you found any value and learned something new, please give us a like to assist us with the algorithm, and make sure you hit the notification button to stay in touch whenever we release a new video. Until next time.